Alright, y'all, what's going on? What's going on? Alright, so today, no surprise here, folks. I told you I was making risotto, so I'm eating mushroom risotto and honey mustard chicken. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and subscribe. Even if you haven't subscribed, definitely go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell so you get notifications the next time we post a video. Leave us some comments down below. Let us know things you see us trying, things you see us cook, interact with us, because do like to hear from me. I'm going to say grace and get started. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that we're about to receive, for nourishment of our bodies and health. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. Alright, so I made this risotto. I also made a cooking video. Don't know in which order you're going to see the cooking video versus this video, but okay. That's hot though. It's been a minute since I made a cooking video. It's hot. It's really good. I feel like I did a good job. I should have dumped that whole thing of Parmesan cheese in here. My first time making a risotto. I've made a honey mustard chicken before. Okay.
Look, do you see it?
And I played too much with this parsley. I was trying to be cute. And look weedy whack. I guess I should have got the Bubby. His own people. But can we? Okay, hold on. I guess it's there. Because I have. It's hot. What? I had made them until I got finished making this. Made them some fish fish and fries. And I guess the brother said, "Girl, don't be trying to feed me that peasant food. I don't want you got." I ain't mean no disrespect, bub. I ain't mean no harm by it. Okay. See if he just was other now. Leave it in there. These is chicken thighs. You want some chicken or rice?
Chicken rice.
I don't know. I cut my thumbnail a couple of times while I was chopping stuff. Feel like I almost took the other one off. I was trying to open the oven door, and this was not okay. But if I was to get him his own plate, I bet you he would eat it. Bet you he didn't eat it, y'all.
That good?
Can I send to my dad? Can I send to
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Why don't you wear the outfit that you was supposed to be taking back over there?
That's why I forgot. That's why I didn't want you to wash it because I knew I would forget.
Okay, but your clothes are all clean, so you need to go find it. It has been washed. That's on you to figure out where you put it, because I'm pretty sure it was in the clothes that I gave you to put up the other day.
You know what it looked like?
No.
I don't know what it looked like. That's why it's going to be hard. Because I don't even know what it looks like.
I feel like it's really nice and smooth and creamy how it's supposed to be. There was this place called Sushi Rock here in Columbus, and they are no more, which makes me so sad. But they have the seafood or lobster risotto. Baby, it was so good. So good. We on our who knows how many time today watching Turning Red. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. When I made this honey mustard chicken before, I feel like I had put some sort of mustard seed in there. Per either I used a certain kind of mustard or use some sort of mustard seed or something like that. Which I was looking in the seasoning aisle, I didn't see the mustard seed, so it must have been the type of mustard I used, but I didn't really see no mustards at my Corvetto anyway that had like were heavily seeded. Okay. Man, that's good. I'm glad he liked it, though. Yeah, because when I gave him the fish sticks, he just sat there and freaking made me mad. Okay, he sat there and was using the fish stick as a spoon for his sauce. And I knew I didn't want to give him no Chick-fil-A sauce because that's mostly. I mean, most of the time he'll eat it, but if it's something I guess that he don't really want to eat, he'll just use it as a spoon, and that's what he did. And he barely ate. So yeah, but I guess I'm just like chicken though. Here, you want some of this rice? Okay, we'll eat that part. Don't you? I won't give you no more. Yeah, it's chicken.
What?
I got skedaddle and take the boys, drop them off, but I will, when I come back, I'll do the comments.
Why?
Excuse me. Pre-taste and pre-dry myself.